Friends, family, shalom from Israel. Just wanted to share a few words that are on my mind as we bring in Shabbat in just a couple of hours. You see, for too long now, Israel's neighbors continue to invest their time, energy, their money into undermining Israel, and more importantly, undermining regional stability, rather than healing their own society's needs, rather than invest in their people's future, education, and overall improvement. Hatred of the other and ignorance saturates the media, their educational system, and their government. Syria is still killing its people, over 30,000 or so, and threatens the stability of neighboring Lebanon, Turkey, Jordan, and Israel. Egypt's President Morsi recently transferred judicial powers to his seat of power. Riots broke out just yesterday in Cairo. And Hamas rebuilds its smuggling tunnels, prepared and already received Iranian rockets and missiles. Why? Why not stop with all this? Why not just take care of your children? If every one of these countries focused on bettering their societies, on improving their quality of life and beginning a movement of healing in their countries, we'd all be much better off. Yesterday, the UN voted in favor of supporting the Palestinian cause by providing them non-member observer status. They're on their way, God willing, and I offer them a hearty mazal tov. I pray they get what they deserve, and in that process focus on building a state that will live in peace and harmony with its neighbors. And yet there's all this talk about them going and having direct access to all these international bodies, including The Hague. And by doing this, they seek to file charges against crimes against humanity, against Israeli leadership. And then, of course, if that's the case, Israel can do the same. Israel can also go, and they can charge Palestinian leadership for crimes against humanity, for supporting and funding terror, for shooting rockets indiscriminately at Israel's population centers. But is that really what we want? Do we really want to get into this blame game once again? Why don't we just start healing our people, taking care of our children? Why don't the leadership in the region all look inward instead of outward? And God willing, we will live in peace and coexistence. Shabbat Shalom.